Welcome to Namita's Delightful Dishes. Ganesh Chaturthi special, today we will be making Sundal, Kadalekalu, a dish that brings back cherished memories from this festive season. Let's get started. To make black Chana Usli, start by rinsing 1 cup black chickpeas. Add water and let the chickpeas soak for 8 to 10 hours or overnight. Once soaked, drain the water and transfer the chickpeas to an Instapot or pressure cooker. Add 3 to 4 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of salt. Set the Instapot to pressure cook for 15 minutes. I am using an Instapot here, but feel free to use any pressure cooker you have. While the chickpeas are cooking, we will prepare the coconut mixture. In a blender, add half a cup of grated coconut, 2 green chilies, half inch of ginger and half cup of fresh coriander leaves. Grind everything into a coarse mixture without adding water and set it aside. Allow the pressure to release naturally. Then check if the chana is cooked by picking a piece and gently squeeze it. If it is soft, strain the water using a strainer. Three teaspoons of oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon each of urad dal and chana dal, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 1 dry red chili, and a pinch of hing. Oh, and I almost forgot, make sure to add a pinch of turmeric at this stage too. It has a beautiful color and flavor. Saute until the seeds flutters and the dal turns golden. Next, add the cooked chickpeas to the pan and stir well. Add the coconut mixtures and combine everything thoroughly. Adjust the salt according to your taste, but don't forget we already added some at the beginning. Finally, squeeze some fresh lemon juice for the extra burst of flavor. Our delicious black chana usli is now ready as prasada. This dish holds a special place in my heart as it brings back fond memories of Ganesh Chaturthi. My mom always made this during the festival, and I especially loved having it as prasada at the Ragi Gutta temple in Jayanagar, Bangalore. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel. Wishing everyone a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi.